If your sewing machine is creating loose stitches, tangled thread, or thread looping under the fabric, there's a high chance you're making this one beginner mistake. And the shocking part is over 90% of beginners don't even know they're doing it. In this video, I'll show you exactly what this mistake is, why it destroys your stitches, and how to fix it in less than 2 minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you want clean, professional stitches and a sewing machine that works perfectly every time, then this video will save you a lot of frustration. Let's go straight to the mistake. The number one mistake beginners make: threading the sewing machine while the presser foot is down. It may seem like a small thing, but it causes big problems. Here's why. Inside your machine, there are parts called tension discs. These discs control how tight or loose your thread is. When the presser foot is down, the tension discs are closed. This means the thread cannot enter properly. So when you start sewing, the machine cannot control the thread tension, and this causes thread looping under fabric, loose stitches, bird nesting, messy stitching, thread jamming. Let me show you. First, I thread the machine with the presser foot down. Now watch what happens when I sew. You can see the loose loops underneath. Now let's fix it the correct way, how professionals do it. Always raise the presser foot up before threading. When the presser foot is up, the tension discs open. This allows the thread to enter properly. Now thread the machine completely. Make sure the thread passes through all thread guides, the tension area, the take-up lever, the needle. Now sew again. You can see the stitches are now clean and tight. This is professional stitching. Why this mistake causes so many problems. If the thread is not inside the tension discs, the machine has no control over the thread. The bobbin pulls the thread freely, creating loops underneath. This is why many beginners think their machine is faulty. But the real problem is incorrect threading. Bonus tips to avoid this problem forever. Always follow these simple rules. Always raise presser foot before threading. Always rethread machine if stitches look bad. Always check threading before sewing. Always test sew on scrap fabric. These small habits will save you time and frustration. Remember this, the biggest mistake beginners make is threading the machine with the presser foot down. The correct method is simple. Raise presser foot, thread machine, then sew. This one habit alone will solve most sewing problems. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe for more professional sewing tips. And comment below if you have this problem. I'll see you in the next video. Happy sewing!